Hello student, today we are back with this new video. There are a lot of students who are asking a lot of questions about the review of 9 October Ielts exam evening slot because it is the best way to prepare the whole topic to get a good balance to the next exam. So students, here I am going to talk about the task 2 and task first of 9 October Ielts exam. Overall अगर बात करो लिसनिंग रीडिंग के रिगार्डिंग तो ओवरऑल एग्जाम ईजी था। मॉर्निंग की तरह ही लिसनिंग रीडिंग इतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं थी, उसको इतनी कोई बड़ी समस्या का फेस नहीं करना पड़ा। ओके, दे डिडंट हैव टू फेस मोर डिफिकल्टी अबाउट लिसनिंग एंड रीडिंग, इट वाज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर द एवरी स्टूडेंट्स। अब बात करते हैं task first के regarding first of students who want to get the review of morning slot, it is also available on my channel. You can go on my channel and watch this video. And on task first was very easy to understandable for the all students. Task first was bar graph. You can easily write the main structure that I told to students. I also told in the recent my prediction video that you can get the top bar graph, rate change, these kind of things. So prepare that very well. So who bought the material from me, they got the true information, and now I hope that they will definitely get a good band score because they prepared all the topic that I gave him in their prediction video in just 700. If you also want to buy all material for preparation, then it is available in just 700. And task 2 was also very easy, but if students have better idea, then they can say that it is very easy for them, but it's also depend on the preparation of students. If he are like if anyone are prepared about their exam, okay, then he will definitely get a good band score. Doesn't matter exam was easy or exam was hard for him. Okay, according to my students, it was easy for them, okay, because they have a lot of idea regarding this topic. You can easily elaborate a lot of things about these kind of things. Like a question is about is it impossible to assist all the people, so government should only focus on people in their own country. Do you agree or disagree? You can first of all tell the importance of help each other. You can talk about a lot of things which can be elaborated about the help, a lot of things that you can see in this video. Okay, first of all you should concentrate on your paragraphing. You should try to make your intro part very impressive and creative so that examiner can check your real level, because your real level can be seen in your intro part. So try to make impressive in your task 2 essay writing so that examiner can come to know about your actual level, how you are going to write in this next following paragraphs. It was easy for them, but if you want to get answer, then you can send message on the WhatsApp. I will try to provide the answer of this spaces. और स्टूडेंट्स लिसनिंग रीडिंग के आंसर अभी थोड़ी देर में अपलोड हो जाएंगे, उसके लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर लेना ताकि आपको हंटे उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।